Are you looking for an easy way to make your videos more dynamic and engaging? Look no further than black background videos. In this video, I'll show you how simple it is to use a black background video to add a burst of energy to your content. But that's not all. I'll also guide you through the process of downloading these videos from my website, so you can start using them in your own projects right away. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Let's dive in and get started. Let's use the Davinci Resolve video editor. It's free, so if you don't have it yet, just download it. I put the link below. Once we're in the edit page of Davinci Resolve, we just need to drag and drop our video clip onto the timeline. Then, on top of our video clip, we can drag and drop a video effect clip with a black background. As you can see, the video is covered and only the video effects clip with the background is visible. Now let's go to the inspector and under composite mode, change it to add. See, the black background is now gone. Let's try other video FX clips that you can download on my website, pedrotubero.com. Again, we just need to drag and drop it on top of our video clip to apply the effect, and then go back to the inspector to change the mode to add. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Also, here are the video effects with black backgrounds that you can download on pedrotubero.com. The link is in the description below this video. These are free and no copyright video clips.